give you guys a look of that. It's finally on. Now let's go under the car. Alright guys, it's time to hopefully get most of the Integra done today. The last video you guys saw was the fuel system fail. I'm still working on getting some parts to finish that up. Today we have the Hasport rear motor mount. That's the code for it if you guys need to order it for the 94 to 2001 Integra and 92 to 95 Civics. So let's go ahead and check it out. This car already has the Hasport mounts before, but remember when you go all-wheel drive you need to change the rear mount. So here it is. There goes the mount, guys. And I also do plan on showing you guys how to install it. Should be pretty straightforward. Also, Hasport is awesome enough to supply the bolts. So, there it is. So now I'm going to get under the car and see how exactly this goes. The rear diff, the transfer case is not on. I'm going to go ahead and put that on after I put this guy on. So I'm going to go ahead and jump back there and see where this all mocks up to be and show you guys their Hasport mount installed. So let's go ahead and get that going. Okay guys, so that mount was a little bit more work than I was expecting. It takes a lot of leverage to get this guy in. It's finally in. On this chassis you're not using that bracket there, that bolt hole. So you're just using this top one and the one down on the other side, which I'll show you. Let's see, I'm trying to think how we had to do it. You have to really mess with it. I had to unbolt this mount, pop it out. The way you want to do it, you want to get your hole lined up here with the bolt started, and then you want to do the rear mount. That's how I did it, and then the bottom one is last. But I'll tell you right now, it was quite some leverage. So if you're putting in the motor, I advise you to get that all bolted down and then sink these guys down, your passenger and driver side motor mounts on. But my girlfriend had to come out and help me and leverage it with the jack and try lining up the bolt holes. Let me get a flashlight and then I'll show you guys underneath the car. And there goes the bottom. So that one's a pain to line up also. So just know, if it's already in the car, I had to fight it on this chassis. So, but it's there, it's on, it's installed. The Hasport rear motor mount. So yeah guys, that's that. Check out Brian. Brian's great. I messaged him. He kind of gave me some useful tips. And yeah guys, like, subscribe, share the video. I'll end this video with me bolting on the transfer case. So I'm gonna go ahead and get down there. But like I said, like, share, subscribe. This car's coming along and it is almost done. So today is March 27th and the next video will be installing the header. Hopefully that header works, but we'll see you guys. All right, thanks guys.